Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can accept YouTube premium invite. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your YouTube app on your phone, and I'm going to go back to show you the steps. So I will be at the home section usually, and if I want to simply go to my purchases to check out the invite, and to send an invite, I'm going to tap on this little profile icon at the bottom right. Then I'm going to be tapping on this settings icon on top right corner, and then purchases and membership. I will find my premium over here if I have taken one, but as you can see, currently I have not taken the premium of the YouTube. Once I have that, I will simply be able to tap on the manage membership. Then I can simply send the invite to my family and friends. Now, how you can receive and accept is, and what is the criteria is, the first thing is family member must have to live in the same household and as a family manager and have a Google account. They must need to be in the same household and have the Google account. Once they have that criteria met, then I'm going to simply send them invitation through email or text. So if I choose their ID email ID, then they will receive an email. I just have to go to the email and tap on the invite link. I can tap on it, confirm it, and there you go. I will have the YouTube premium for the family group. And if I receive the text message, I'm going to tap on the link as well and do the same. So once I have gone to the YouTube premium family account page, I will you can try it for free and you can start using it. That is how easy for you to accept and send. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.